Potential flip. Doing this walkthrough. Let's check it out. Roof looks great. Windows look good. Let's see here. Soffits look good. Looks like the fascia, the soffit has a little issue there on the front soffit. Gable looks good. Looks like we got some bamboo going on back here. All right, big unit here. Big HVAC. Man, this is big. Alright. Nice flat lot. Like it. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is with the bamboo. It's the first house I've ever had with bamboo. Hot tub. There's something still on that soffit. I don't know if it's just dirty or what that is, but there's something under that soffit. Fascia here has a little damage right here. Yeah, the fascia's damaged right there. No big deal. Got some older windows in the back. It looks like some newer windows in the front, but in the back we got some older windows. All right. All right. Couldn't see that roof on the back side as well as can on the front, but it looks good from what I can see here. Garage doors look in great shape. Yeah, exterior is not bad at all, so pretty pleased on the exterior. All right, that's it for the exterior walk. All right. Oh, okay. It's looking like that is a vent. So, okay. So the soffit has a vent. I didn't know what that was, but it's a vent. That's something I've never seen before. Okay. This vent looks like they got paint all over it, so I don't know how well that's working. Alright. That's it.